Hello everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we are asked to find the value of x. So let us provide the solution to this question. So we have that x to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 27 plus 2x. Now, looking at the right hand side, the first thing we do here is to apply the multiplication law of indices. So recall that if we have a to the power of m plus n, this can be expressed as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So therefore, we have it that x to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 27 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2x. And recall also that 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of x. So this is expressed as 9 raised to the power of x. So therefore, we have that x raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 27 times 9 raised to the power of x. So at this point, we have to divide through by 9 to the power of x. So this becomes divide by 9 to the power of x and divide by 9 to the power of x. So 9 to the power of x will cancel out. So we are left with x raised to the power of x divided by 9 raised to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of 27. Also, recall that in indices, if I have a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, this can be expressed as a divided by b all to the power of n. So therefore, the left-hand side becomes x divided by 9 all to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of 27. Now, at this point, we have to multiply the exponent by 1 divided by 9. So this becomes x divided by 9 all raised to the power of x times 1 divided by 9 equal to 3 multiplied by 27 times 1 divided by 9. So at this point, x times 1 is x. So we have that x divided by 9 all raised to the power of x divided by 9 equal to 27 times 1 is 27. If 9 come here, we have 1. 27 divided by 9, we have 3. So we have that 3 raised to the power of 3. Now, if you observe, at the left-hand side, the base is equal to the index, and also at the right-hand side, the base is equal to the index. Therefore, it follows that x divided by 9 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 times 9. So therefore, x is equal to 27. So at this point, we have been able to obtain the value of x. But after solving this kind of question, please check if you have the correct answer. So let us check. We are given that x raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 27 plus 2x. And we obtained the value of x to be equal to 27. So therefore, 27 raised to the power of 27 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 27 plus 2 times 27. So we have that 27 raised to the power of 27 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 27 plus 2 times 27 is 54. And this becomes 3 raised to the power of 27 plus 54 is equal to 81. So we have it that 27 to the power of 27 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 81. But at this point, we can express the right-hand side to look like the left-hand side. That means we can make the base to be equal to the index. Now, recall that 81 is equal to 3 times 27. So therefore, we have that 27 to the power of 27 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3 all to the power of 27. And 3 cubed is equal to 27. Thus, we have that 27 to the power of 27 is equal to 27 to the power of 27. So at this point, we have been able to prove that x is equal to 27. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. Please encourage us by liking this video and giving us a thoughtful comment, and also subscribing to our channel. And for more questions that challenge your algebraic skill, please visit our International Math Challenge playlist, and you will find more helpful videos. Thank you, and I wish you success in your learning journey.